2024 Ford Ranger Raptor 3.0 liter twin turbo V6 was started about right here and installed a customer provided loop-de-loop.
You make a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking cool.
Where the pipe goes through the loop to create equal length pipes from the downpipes back. Right there, look at that, isn't that cool? Runs it into his existing Miltech valve system right there, into an X pipe at the back, into his existing tailpipes and black tips right there. Crazy design system, super cool. Runs through the pipe. Very unique design. Let's see how it sounds. Idles down to about 75. Sounds really good. Sound decibels. About 110. Sounds perfect. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust in Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop. There's our phone number if you want to give us a call. Get yours done. Whenever you're ready, stop on by. We'd be happy to help you. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Watch her pull off. Lots of traffic today, but all good. Oh, that sounds mean. We did a previous video on it. Be sure to check that one out too, with just the Miltech system. Way better now with the new and improved loop delete. He's gonna come back by, he's gonna do a drive-by for you guys. Here he comes. You can hear it already. Sounds really good. Wow. That is mean. Enjoy, guys. Coming back for drive-by number 2. Here he comes. That is, guys, it is loud. It is not doing justice how loud it is. Wow. That is phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.